Benvenuto! This is our home in Rome, Italia right now. I've been in Italy for almost a month now, and I really wanted to share this space with you guys here in Rome because I love it so much. There's two of us, Alex and I are staying in here, and we just have so much room we don't even know what to do with it. So I'm gonna bring you guys first and show you the view because that is the best part of this place. So there's these two beautiful windows here that open up so big and wide. It rained last night here in Rome, so the weather just feels so crisp and beautiful right now. There are some booby traps in here. Is it booby?
Yeah.
Booby? Like a booby?
Like a booby.
Okay. Booby traps in here. Like, you can hit your head on quite a few things. Like, if you're a taller person, I'm short, so I'm totally fine, but I'm a little worried about Alex. There's also, like, this almost just happened 5 seconds ago when the camera wasn't recording. I was like, oh my God. I would have just ate shit in there. Good thing I just saw that because that would have not been good. There's all these books in this corner over here, so if you're staying for a while, you could have some reads here. And then there's these antique-y little pieces. This is a sewing machine. And then in this room, we have the living room. And there's two couches here. I have not even sat on this couch yet. Probably because this couch is just very cute. This place definitely has a 70s vibe to it, which is what I love so much about it. The tile in the bathroom and in the kitchen, you'll see, I'll show you. Let's just do that next. Check out. At first I thought it was wallpaper, but it's actually tile, which makes it even better. Look at this. This flower power action going on. I love it so much. I want to bring this back to LA with me and put it all over my apartment. I love it. So this is the first bathroom. It's the downstairs bathroom. It's a half bath. And then we go in here, and this is the kitchen, and I love everything about this kitchen. They did a really good job at making it a little bit more modern over here, but then also keeping the kind of old school feel as well. Again, love this tile so much. I think this one I like a little bit more than the one in the bathroom. I just think it's really beautiful how they have a flower and then it's blank and then a flower. I think it's just spaced out so nicely. And then I love the color of the floor in here. It's this beautiful teal color. And then out here we have a little terrace. It's teeny tiny but really beautiful. You have to watch your step when you come up here though, because you have to watch your step a lot here in Italy. There's so many stairs. You could fall all over the place if you don't watch your feet. I love seeing the old shutters on all of the windows and the flowers hanging off the balconies. It gives me inspiration for my apartment in LA. So let's go back inside. I love the exposed wood on this door and this orange color. Oh, it's so nice. Just little things like that in a place. Is where the magic happens in this place. Sleep and maybe other things. I don't know. But you have to be careful because there's a window out to the entire city of Roma. So if you do anything naughty in here, have to use this guy, which they very kindly provided for us to have a little bit of privacy. Unless you want to give a show to Rome, which
some people might.
Some people might. I love this light.
Carrie, it's a Scottish whiskey brand, Lafroy. They make a lovely, lovely whiskey. And I guess they make lamps as well.
Good to know. Good information here. I would try to join you in a Scottish accent, but I'm really bad at it. I can do British. Kind of, but I don't want to put myself on the spot right now. I love that you can see downstairs from upstairs. It's open like this, so that if somebody's up here and down there, you can kind of communicate with each other, and it just opens up the space so much. It makes it feel like there's just so much more room than there actually is. And in here, we're going to go into the bathroom, although this light is very noisy, so once I turn it on, you're just gonna hear blah, but just pre-warning you. More of this beautiful tile, a bathtub, and the second bathroom with a shower. I like that there's two bathrooms, it's really nice. And that is every room in the apartment. I hope you guys liked this apartment tour. I love showing you guys the places that I stay whenever I travel because I think it's really neat to see different apartments in different areas of the world. I really love this apartment and I'm excited to be staying here. I'm going to be traveling more through Italy. We're going to Tuscany, we're going to Siena, we're going to Venice, so I'm going to bring you guys along the way on those journeys too. I've been having the best time here in Italy, reconnecting with family in northern and southern Italy. I have family all over the place here, and I'm so happy now to be here with Alex. If you guys liked this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel so that you never miss new videos from me. Also, notifications. Good way to always know when I post a new video, and I will see you guys very soon in a new one.